The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service and the United States Geological Survey. An unusual event is taking place in the city of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. After a strong lightning bolt strike at the ground has suddenly been shaken, to the point that most downtown buildings have reported critical damage. It is unknown what caused the earthquakes to erupt after the lightning strike. The United States Geological Survey has stated that the magnetic field is in a weird position. It is most likely caused by the lightning striking the ground so hard that it led to the earthquakes. However, it will remain unknown how it happened, but all residents are advised to stay updated as more information will be provided shortly.